With just 10 remaining in the wild, the tiny vaquita needs a miracle to save it from extinction, say the experts at Whale and Dolphin Conservation. Vaquitas are endemic, only found, in one small 2,235 kilometers area, in the north of the Gulf of California, Sea of Cortez, off Mexico. This is the most restricted range of any whale, dolphin, or porpoise. In the warm, shimmering waters of Mexico's Gulf of California, a tragedy is unfolding, mostly unseen, unheard. It's the silent disappearance of an entire species, the vaquita, a creature so rare, so elusive, that many people don't even know it exists. But conservation experts are shouting a dire warning. With just 10 individuals remaining in the wild, this tiny porpoise is on the brink. It needs a miracle to survive. This isn't just a story about an animal. It's a desperate race against time. The vaquita is more than just a statistic. It's a vital part of its unique ecosystem. A testament to evolution, and its impending extinction represents a devastating loss for our planet. Today, we're diving into the heartbreaking story of the vaquita and the desperate efforts to save it. So, what exactly is a vaquita? It's the smallest and most endangered marine mammal on Earth. Its name, Vaquita, means little cow in Spanish, a nod to its shy nature and stocky, compact body. Growing to only about 5 feet long, it's easily distinguishable by the dark rings around its eyes and lips, giving it a gentle, almost painted appearance. Unlike dolphins, porpoises have spade-shaped teeth and a more triangular dorsal fin. The vaquita's dorsal fin is relatively tall and triangular for its size, an adaptation to its shallow water habitat. It's an agile swimmer, feeding on small fish, squid, and crustaceans that thrive in the nutrient-rich waters of the upper Gulf. But what truly sets the vaquita apart, and tragically contributes to its vulnerability, is its incredibly restricted range. It is endemic, meaning it's found nowhere else on Earth, to a tiny, shallow corner of the northern Gulf of California, off the coast of Mexico. This small area, only about 2,235 square kilometers, represents the most restricted range of any whale, dolphin, or porpoise species on the planet. This isolation has made it uniquely susceptible to human pressures. The vaquita's plight isn't a mystery. Its decline is directly tied to one devastating human activity: illegal gill net fishing. Gill nets are walls of netting set vertically in the water, designed to entangle fish by their gills. While legal fishing uses specific mesh sizes, the vaquita's problem stems from the illegal fishing of another endangered species, the totoaba fish. The totoaba, also endemic to the Gulf of California, is prized in black markets, particularly in China, for its swim bladder. These bladders are falsely believed to have medicinal properties and can fetch tens of thousands of dollars each, earning the totoaba the nickname aquatic cocaine. This makes it incredibly lucrative, driving a desperate and dangerous illegal fishery. The gillnets used to catch totoaba are invisible to the vaquita's sonar or echolocation. Being small and lacking the strength of larger marine mammals, they become fatally entangled, drowning within minutes. It's a tragic bycatch, an unintended consequence of a greedy, illegal trade that has decimated the vaquita population from hundreds just a few decades ago to critically few today. Faced with such a catastrophic decline, conservation efforts have been nothing short of heroic, yet tragically often too little, too late. Organizations like the Whale and Dolphin Conservation, alongside Mexican authorities and international partners, have poured resources into protecting this tiny porpoise. Scientists use acoustic monitoring devices, essentially underwater microphones, to detect the vaquita's echolocation clicks, which are often the only way to confirm their presence. These passive acoustic monitoring systems, or PAMs, have been crucial in estimating the remaining population and understanding their movements within the protected vaquita refuge area. The Mexican government has implemented a ban on gill nets within the vaquita's range and established a strict zero-tolerance zone. The Mexican Navy patrols the area, confiscating illegal nets and confronting poachers. There have also been attempts at direct intervention, like the Vaquita CPR program, which aimed to capture some vaquitas for a temporary sanctuary. Tragically, this program was suspended after one vaquita died during capture. highlighting the extreme sensitivity and fragility of the remaining individuals. Despite these efforts, the illegal totoaba trade persists, driven by the immense profits. Every confiscated net and every patrolling vessel is a small victory, but the scale of the challenge against organized crime and deep-seated poverty is immense. With only 10 vaquitas left, the road to recovery is incredibly steep, perhaps unprecedented for a large mammal. Experts agree that the only way to save the vaquita is the complete and permanent elimination of illegal gillnet fishing in its habitat. This means robust enforcement, sustainable economic alternatives for local fishing communities, and relentless pressure on the international black market for totoaba swim bladders. It's a complex problem, entwined with economics, culture, and geopolitics. The demand for totoaba in Asia must be choked off, and the supply lines must be broken. For the local communities in the Upper Gulf, sustainable livelihoods must be supported, ensuring that protecting the vaquita is in their best interest, not a threat to their survival. This isn't just about saving an animal, it's about making a choice. Do we, as humanity, have the will and the collective responsibility to protect the most vulnerable among us, even when it requires confronting difficult truths and challenging powerful interests? The vaquita is more than just a species. It's a symbol of the immense beauty of our oceans, and a stark warning about the irreversible damage we can inflict. Its extinction would be a permanent stain on our collective conscience, a ghost of the sea haunting the rich waters of Mexico. But its survival, against all odds, would be a testament to what we can achieve when we unite for conservation. The choice ultimately is ours. What action can you take? Share this story. Support conservation efforts. Because for the vaquita, time is not just running out, it's almost gone.